Like any activity in Moodle, there are many different settings assignments can have, so let's cover the most important ones. Start by clicking Turn Editing On, and then scroll down to the section you want to add your assignment to, and select Add Activities and Resources. Select the assignment icon, which will take you to the editing page. Give your assignment a name, then take a look at the description and activity instructions sections. Be aware that students will not see the activity instructions unless they click on Add Submission, so the bulk of your instructions should actually go in the description section. You could add submission instructions to the activity instructions section instead, or just put everything in the description. If you have files you would like to attach, you can do so here by dragging and dropping them from your computer's files. Next, we have availability. Here you can set the time and date assignments are to open and close for students, as well as a cutoff date if you would like to provide a date after which assignments can no longer be turned in. If you do not enable the cutoff date, students will be able to keep turning in assignments after the date has passed, but know that Moodle will tell you if something is overdue when you are grading it. Under submission types, we can select if we want students to just type into the text editor directly in Moodle, submit a file, or both. Here you can alter the number of files they can upload as well as the maximum submission size. If you need them to upload something larger than 10 megabytes, such as a longer video, it's recommended to have students submit a YouTube link to their video instead of uploading it directly. If you want students to turn in only a specific kind of file, you can click Choose and then make your selection. This might be useful if you only want students to turn in an image or a presentation file, for example. Lastly, under the Grade heading, you can set how many points it is worth, how you want to grade it, such as a normal grade using a rubric or marking guide, and then the category. If your gradebook is set up with categories, be sure to put your assignment in the correct one. If you have any questions about setting up assignments, please feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning. Thanks for watching.